Today I'm going to show you how what I record with. I record with a cool thing. It's no root. Over here. Just type my screen. I might be the first one. I'm not. If yours is a Samsung, I decided to put this one, the first one, and just download it. And like when you open, just open, and it brings this little icon here. You can see like the little M here, and just click on it, and it's counting down. Play or pause or take a picture. And X don't. It's not like throw like pause the end the video. Over here you scroll down or scroll up. Mine does not have that. So scroll down. Scroll down from the top. It says pause or play. If you want to pause it and like take a break and be right back, you could just put play and boom, just like a little edit thing. So yeah, and stop is just like stop your video and like upload it or anything like that. And yeah, and so says when stop, it has like this little video thing. It says like watch, delete or edit. Yeah, that's gonna be it, and that's what I edit, post my video with. And yeah, I hope that helps you to get your thing to record. And I hope yeah, and yeah guys, I thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next episode to the next video. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.